Okay guys, working in the shop today and a bunch of improvements abound. Let me show you what we got. So we are building cabinets today, and these cabinets, we use these Hayful Axilo leg levelers on them. And in the past, the leg parts were being brought up, or the cabinet parts were being brought up, put on here, and the leg parts were being put in at this point. But I'm over here and we're putting in, we've got cams and other stuff that we're doing right here at the end. We already have this on a flat table that we're not bending over anything. And I said, why don't we put the legs in here? So I rolled our cart over and we said, great, we're gonna put our legs in now. So then I went and I reviewed our SOP from Gemba Docs, and we found out that it was redundant. So I took a whole bunch of notes and made it less redundant and more clear. So an improvement there. And then I brought my legs out, and then we had them in this bin, and I had them set in here. Well, this is a standard leg, and then we have another leg that is for a finished stand. I'm like, I gotta bring that bin out. I'm pretty sure we don't use that many legs, that we need that many at any one time. So I took my box and I divided it. And so now we're gonna have our regular dividers on the top portion and our finished end dividers on the bottom portion. Now we can pull it off of that cart, set it on here, put them on, and place them in our cart so that when they come off of here, they're ready to assemble. All we need is a screwdriver. We're not putting anything in. And then I went and wheeled this over, and I said, dang, this thing is really hard to roll around. And so I looked down to see if any of the rollers were plugged. And these are fancy rollers. Oops, dropped it. These are fancy rollers, and they actually have grease zerk fittings on them. And so we greased the wheels on the cart, and guess what? It rolls about 1,000 times better. So that's my improvements in 15 minutes this morning. And Phil just printed off. You can see now we've reduced it from 6 steps. We got rid of, this is our previous one. Put clear information on there so there was no redundancy and easier to see. So that's our improvement. Lots of improvements to be made. Then we improved on the improvement. We added labels to it. So you know, these are the standard leg base, that's the corner. And we put them on both sides. So either way it's in there, you can see what you got. Another improvement, when we'd done this to the other side about a year ago and nobody had gotten around to it, so we finished it today. This was previously held on with stick-on tape and it was coming loose and we were getting in the way, so we bolted it down today, about 15 minutes. Nice improvement. Chris made that happen this morning. Nice work.